There's the dryer there.
Here. You unplugged it?
Oh yeah. Wait. Here. This is still good. The same thing. Look at the paper. Yeah, I cleaned already just now.
Just please give me a space, please. Let me
Yeah.
test it.
Oh, that's easy, huh? Easy for you.
I used to.
That's why you're the technician, though. That's
Yes, sir.
why.
Yes, sir. It's zero, sir. We need to change the element.
What element? Oh.
Heating element. We need to change the heating element.
So we're gonna get those. How about the $89 for the
You're not gonna pay extra 89. Just all together 387 plus tax.
no more
No.
okay.
No.
So today is Saturday.
Yeah, it's 1-2 days maximum.
So
Where's the
that-
lid?
So that is like Monday?
Monday, Tuesday.
Okay. Quick, huh, my friend?
I used to, sir. Every day, every day.
By the way, show me which one those. Which those elements?
It's at the back.
Ah,
It's right at the back,
okay.
yes. So I have to take off the whole thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so. 387 plus tax, so that is like 1330, like 450
423, something like this.
or 23.
Yeah,
But you have to give me the receipt.
of course.
Okay, deal. So you're gonna come back by Monday or give me a
Monday or I'll give you a call.
give me a call.
Yeah. Okay. The invoice is ready. I just need deposit for today, and the rest you can pay later when I bring.
So you received the card?
Yes.
I don't have cash.
Yeah, card is fine.
Okay, let's
I
go.
don't need cash. I need card.
Oh, okay. You don't like cash too, huh? Okay, that's good for you. Oh.
5181 622. You taking a video?
Yeah.
Why?
For my
I'll send it to you. Receipt, sir.
yeah, for my file also.
No problem.
No big deal, my friend.
034. Okay. And